Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to increase gaming performance on a laptop or on a PC. So we're going to do some of the steps in this video, and I'm going to promise you this is going to improve the gaming performance on your laptop and your PC without any issue. So without any doubt, it is definitely going to increase it. So let me directly get into step one by one. So the first one, we just need to go over here in the search, and we need to search here for adjust the appearance and performance on Windows, and you have to click on this one. And right now, as you can see, we have various things selected over here. You have to from the custom, you have to set into adjust for the best performance. And over here, you have to select the first one we have over here called smooth edges on the screen fold should be selected, because while gaming, we might be having smooth edges of the screen folds that has to be visible in the great performance. So we have to select this, and going to the next one, we need to click on show thumbnail instead of icons, and also you have to click on over here on the save taskbar thumbnails for the previous, and just go for OK, and you have to check with it. Next one is all about, we have to go over here on a control panel, and you have to open a control panel and navigate to the power options over here. Just find where is the power options. So right now, if you don't find the power option, it is here, just click on this one, and right now create a power plan, and here you have to set into high performance and go for the next, and right now go over here for the create one. And now what you need to do is you have to set into my custom plan one, and you have to close this, and you have to move to the next one. Next one is all about, you have to go over here, search for disk cleanup, and you have to click on the disk cleanup, and you have to go for OK. And right now, as you can see, it will be popping up a message like this. And right now we have various things, only few are selected. So we have to put a check on these boxes over here. You have to put a check on all the boxes and go for cleanup system file. And it will take a little bit of time so that 471 MB will be completely free. This is actually an optimization which is going to free up the space on the C, and that's going to help you guys out. Next one is all about, we need to navigate to the task manager, which is very important. So go over here in the task manager, click on the task manager, and we have to expand this. Over here we can see various options, and from here you have to click on this one that's called over here startup apps. Now over here, as you can see, these are apps that will be launching if I open up my PC for the first time, or if I on my PC or laptop, these things are actually running in the background. And as you can see, some of them are enabled and some of them are completely disabled. So disable all the unwanted things. I'll demonstrate it. If I go over here, as you can see, the Proton dive is there, so if I feel like it is not needed, so I can disable it. Similarly, I have to disable it as well. And also I have to scroll down a little bit, and you can see the Xbox, I have to disable it because I'll operate manually. I don't want it to be run in the background. Similarly, you can do anything over here. So keep only the necessary apps. For example, Google Chrome can be kept, because while you open up your computer or PC in the morning or whatever the time it is, the Chrome have to be there. So just make sure that you have to give the permissions for only the needed one. Rest everything can be disabled. Now close this and move to the next one. Next one is all about, just go over here, open your Discord. You can just search here for the Discord. For example, just get into the Discord, and once you get into the Discord, you have to go back over here, go to the user settings. Now from here in the Discord, you have to scroll down and navigate to game overlay. You might be able to find somewhere else here for the game overlay. So if the enable overlay is turned on, we have to turn this off. This is very important. Turn off the game overlay inside the Discord, and you have to close this. Similarly, go over here in the Steam. If you're having the Steam, just go over here at the top and click on the settings, and over here you can see we'll be have in-game options, and as you can see, enable the Steam overlay while in game. If it is turned on, we have to turn this off, because overlay is actually draining out the performance for the gaming. So make sure that you turn this off. And afterwards we have to move to the next step. So now what we need to do is we just need to move to the next one. That is all about, just go over here, search for settings, and you have to click on the settings. And right now from here, navigate to the system. Now scroll down and navigate to the display, and you have to scroll down a little bit, tap on advanced display, and make sure that you set it to the display rate to the maximum one. And once you set the display to the maximum, we just need to go back over here once again, and over here we have an option called graphics. And over here in the graphics, even if you scroll down, we have advanced graphics settings, and here as you can see we have an option called hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So if it is turned on, if turn it off, you have to turn this on. And if you're having an issue with the game while the issue is tweaking and all those things, you can just turn this off. Then you just need to move to the next one. Next one is all about, you can just go over here in the settings itself, just go to the settings, navigate to the gaming, and if you find the game bar is turned on, you have to turn off the game bar, and also you have to go back. And now in the game mode, if it is turned on, we have to turn off the game mode as well and navigate to the privacy and security. From here you have to scroll down and navigate to notifications, and if you find anything related to notification, just turn it off. And once afterwards, most probably it will be definitely increasing the gaming performance on your laptop. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.